look at this, guys. This image of LeBron and Curry playing poker, having a smoke together. And yes, you can tell it's AI, but it's edited, sorry. But how good is it? Like, that could have taken so long to edit that in Photoshop, but instead, that's taken me about 2 minutes this morning to make that. And it would pass pretty well for most people, like, as a comedic or fairly easy to use kind of poster or whatever you wanted to use that for. A post, social post, make it go viral. Pretty insane. And yeah, it is the stealth mode Nano Banana. Stealth model Nano Banana is Google's 2.5 Flash, which is now been released, which is awesome. And it's free to use, and it is the best editing thing you can use right now by far, and it's not even close. And I'll show you two different ways you can use it. You can obviously use it through the Gemini app now, through Google, but sometimes it'd be hard to get something like this because it would censor out the cigarettes or them playing poker. So I'll show you a way that you can get around that as well for now, within reason as to how offensive it is that you're trying to make your image. So first thing is you can go to Google Gemini, and you can see here, this is just a Gold Coast Titans coach sitting on the beach in Hawaii flipping the middle finger, and you can see, I cannot fulfill this request. I'm unable to generate images that depict offensive gestures. So obviously that is something that you can come up with in the Get Gemini app, but instead I'll show you how good this Flash model is. So I'll find that image again, wherever he is. There he is. And I'll just say change shirt to a Hawaiian shirt. I think I spelled that wrong, but whatever. And just quickly while that's loading, you just have to go to Gemini, click Flash and 2.5 Flash model, and then select image. And that's all you need to do to access this model now, which is awesome. Done a pretty good job. It kept the logos, some of the logos, but obviously it's maintained his figure perfectly. It does try and work like that, like a Photoshop, where it maintains the figure and just replaces what you want. But yeah, that's awesome. So the other way you can use it now, which is how I used it to manage to get this original one, is you go to lmarena.ai, and this, for some reason, if you prompt it enough, like it will come up with this if there's an issue like this, like that. But if you keep retrying it, eventually it kind of gets through. So if I go with that same prompt, so I'll grab Desi again, if I can find him, there he is. And then if I just grab my prompt again, which was censored out last time, and throw that in, should find that, see, because ChatGPT is doing the same thing, but it's saying it can't do that. But there you go, it worked first time anyway, and that's done a pretty stellar job. Let's be honest, like, that looks pretty much like him. At least it's very close. There's a couple of issues with the text, but considering it's changing it so much, you could easily just get you could easily grab that photo and then grab the shirt again and tell it to, make that shirt better. So you just double edit it, do small edits at a time, and it will eventually get through and make it look really good. But yeah, that's pretty cool. You can do the same thing with LBJ. Maintained the Lakers and the number 6, the Nike. That's slightly off, I think. I don't even know what that brand, Babigo. I don't know, did a pretty good job actually. So that's Nano Banana, guys. Now known as Flash 2.5. definitely going to be awesome what you can do with this in terms of video pipeline. So you could throw something like this image now into Google Flow and just cook from there. Like that kind of image to frame, frame to video pipeline is going to be insane now that you can make edits like this. So definitely check out the possibilities with this one. I think it's going to be insane how what people are going to be able to do. And yeah, thanks guys. I will catch you soon.